then he found that Ecologia is becoming more stronger than him, and he was competing with all other Shishyas. Then he expected Guru Rani sort of a gift from him.
Elisha.
You know what he got from him? He got his thumb. And Shishya never thought even a second to give that Rani. That is the type of Guru Shishya Sambandha. Whatever may be the effects of it, that was the type of action. So that is the tradition in which culture in which we have been brought up. That is the country in which we are living. You should also remember today, it is not teachers meet that we are celebrating. Because your teachers are there, you are the students there, and tomorrow some of you may take up the teaching profession if you want. After you will be taking tech or you may do your PhD also, you may also become teachers, professors, and other academicians. Definitely it is going to happen. Whoever is your teacher, including myself, you are also students one time or the other. Why I am telling this is, before you get into any profession, you have to be dedicated to the profession that you have taken up. Today you are students, tomorrow you are going to be maybe the executives in some company, or you may take up academic, or you may take up research, R&D program, R&D activities. Wherever, whichever profession you take, that profession has to be taken serious. Then only you will be successful. I was trying to make you remember the person behind this teacher's day. Who is that?
Sarvepalli Radha.
Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, he fought in a small village near Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. And from there, he became a school teacher. Later on, you know what he became? He grew to the level of the first citizen of the country. See, when you are dedicated to your profession and take up things seriously, nothing is impossible. He never asked for it. He never asked to become the president of the country, the first citizen of the country, and also the first president of India, independent. That is the
మనకి రాకపోయినా పర్లేదు.
our society needs to the teacher. He was an humble teacher, and we have enough of such examples, simple people, simple living, and commitment to their profession. They have gone to higher level, even without asking. The positions have come in such of them. Dr. Abdul Kalam, Dr. Manmohan Singh, they were all academicians, scientists. Today they are there for positions, coveted positions, only because of their commitment they had in life, the seriousness with which they have taken their profession. So this is a type of culture and attitude and character and discipline that you have mold yourself. So that will be the greatest Guru Kanika that you will be getting if you become successful in your life and emerge out